Hey there, Fletch from All Things Overlanding here. On today's video, it's going to be a quick one. I just had this idea and I kind of repurposed a thing that I had and I wanted to share it with you guys in case it might save you some money or save you some time, or if you were looking for ways to store like dry food, dry goods. You can probably see this little bin right here in the back of my truck. So basically I've strapped it to the back up against the cab here. What this is this is actually a dog food bin. And I know that sounds funny, but my wife bought it and then we needed a bigger one and she didn't get this returned in time, so we just had it. And I'm like, man, this thing was like $12. I'm a dad, right? Turn off the lights, turn off the fans, you know, get your returns back, that sort of thing. So I'm like, man, I'm not letting it go to waste. I'm going to use this thing. So it was like $12, so it's really good for like budget overlanding type stuff. But what I like about it is it has a huge big mouth on it. It is waterproof and airtight, and it has a clasp on it. So you can probably maybe see in there, it's got a clasp on it, so it actually can lock down, so I don't have to worry about like food flying out the top while I'm driving down the highway. But so what I did was, again, I strapped it in here, and then I've got, you know, some chips in here. I've got some soup. I've got just all my sort of dry goods, anything that doesn't need to be refrigerated but needs to be protected from the elements in here. That way it frees up space inside the cab. So I love that I can keep it in the back. You know, you got to be careful if it's like winter or something and you have to worry about things getting frozen. It is winter here in Indiana, but it's actually surprisingly warm. It's going to be in the 30s tonight, and it's about 50, 60 right now. So this thing is just perfect for me. And again, for about $12, that's pretty cheap for some waterproof, airtight food storage. So again, just an idea that I had that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope that that's helpful. If it is, I will put a link in the description down below so you can get one of your own. There are also different sizes, I'm sure, so you could definitely check that out if you need a bigger one or a smaller one, whatever you need. This one's like a medium size one, and it holds quite a bit of food. I've actually been pretty impressed. It has all my food for a 2-day, 2-night trip here in this thing, no problem. So again, I hope that's helpful for you. Post up in the comments below if you've got any questions. Post up if you guys have some unorthodox things that you guys are using for dry food storage. I'd love to hear from you. If you're not already, make sure to click that subscribe button. Click the bell to be notified when new videos drop. I do a couple videos a week, and I'm trying to do as much as I possibly can about budget overlanding stuff, newbie overlanding stuff. Down in the description are also links to Facebook, Instagram. I've got a podcast that comes out every week too. And I've also got a Patreon page where a lot of us overlanders hang out, like our weekend warrior style overlanders hang out. We talk about weekend overlanding. We talk about videos and stuff. I asked for opinions and feedback on what videos you guys want to see. So definitely check that out. And then last but not least, the Newbie Overlanders page at the very bottom of the description. Totally free to join. It's on Facebook, full of both new overlanders and experienced overlanders. So if you're new and you want to learn, come on in. If you're experienced and you want to help the newbies, come on in. It's different than the big groups where I'm moderating it with an iron fist. So we're not going to have any people making fun of people for asking what size tires will fit. So anyways, again, thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful, and we'll see you guys next time. All Things Overlanding is brought to you by some fantastic companies. You should definitely check out the description and click through their links to see all the awesome stuff they offer. Companies like Red Arc for all your overlanding power management needs. Last US Bag, tons of amazing quality overlanding bags. Rugged Bound Supply Company, rooftop tents, awnings, roof racks, and more. The More Expo 2022, get your tickets below. And Northology Overland, guided overlanding trips and a free overlanding magazine.